asking is, can we teach students to celebrate the subject before we actually teach the subject? If they love the teacher, if they like the subject, learning the subject is never going to be difficult. It's one thing to come to the class and teach the student. Thomas Alva Edison invented the electric bulb. Thomas Alva Edison, the father of invention, invented the storage battery. Yes, we have to do that. One mark question. We have to do that. But if along with that, somehow the student is also told in the class, Thomas Alva Edison failed. Some people say 2,000, some people say 10,000, keep whichever number you want. Thomas Alva Edison failed thousands of times in his experiment to invent the electric bulb. A friend of Thomas Alva Edison came and asked him, Eddie, for somebody as famous as you, how does it feel to have failed thousands of times? And Edison was spontaneous in replying when he said, failure? I don't know what you're talking about. I have just found out thousands of ways by which you cannot invent an electric bulb. And I've eliminated so many possibilities that I know the bulb is around the corner. And when this piece of wisdom is shared with the children, somebody in the back row thinks, Edison 1,000 times failure. I have failed only 2-3 times. I'm a genius then. He sits up and listens. Suddenly, a piece of history of Edison's life has come into the science class. In teaching history, we can bring in science. We can bring in science into a maths period. And we can break this compartmentalization.